Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set a limit order on Kraken Pro app. So what you need to do, head over here to the market and select your pair. So let's select it, let's say Sol USDT. Now here at the bottom, you will see buy and sell button. One is green and one is red. So it's the same thing for the both of them. So let's go with the buy button here. All right. Now set your limit price. Okay, so at the top here, you can select basically market limit, stop loss. So when you do that here, that you selected limit right here, you can now a little below limit price USDT, you can set up your limit. So if you are buying, this is usually below the current market price. If you would selling, then this is usually above the current market price. So you will select here amount. Then you will add here total USD, so how much you want to trade. So let's say 5, and let's say I want here the limit 85, like so. And yeah, this is how you can set yourself a limit order. Also, you have option of stop loss here to take it. So I showed you how you can do that in previous video. So check this out. For this video, this is it. Basically how you can select a limit order. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.